Everybody say hi to the camera. I would never tell you.
I'll see it on Facebook.
Claudia.
Smile.
Oh my god. You had to see the fucking face she just gave me. Come on, Claudia. Just taking pictures of yourself. Casita bitch.
Conceited ass, really.
Hi.
Why you turn around and say it all gay like that?
Hi.
It's gonna be all gay and shit. Go to
What are you doing? It's on there.
You guys see it in my mouth.
Wow, you look like you're about to hurl.
That was rude.
Yeah.
Do it again.
What?
Put some on your face.
No, I'm not putting this shit on my face.
You crazy? She's bugging.
You trying to make me burn? Yeah.
That's very rude. You're a very rude individual.
Oh.
Oh. Alright, we'll tune in later for more. Wait.